A remote is a real, separate copy of your repository, usually on GitHub, and these 4 commands are how you genuinely sync with it. In this video you'll push, pull, and fetch against a real remote. This real command downloads a genuine, complete copy of a remote repository, including its full history. This real command uploads your local commits to the genuine remote named origin. This real command downloads the remote's latest changes without genuinely merging them into your local branch yet. This real command genuinely does a fetch and a merge in one step. Your local branch is now up to date. Git clone downloads a real, complete copy of a remote repository. Git push uploads real local commits to the remote. Git fetch downloads without merging. Git pull genuinely does both at once. Push a real commit to a remote repository and confirm it shows up on GitHub. Ready to propose your real changes for review on GitHub?